Libra, what's up? Welcome to your reading. This is a career reading for the sign of Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. It is a general reading, guys, may or may not resonate. If you need a personal reading, you can DM me on Instagram at Tarot with Nemo, or you can email me on tarotwithnemo@gmail.com. Alright, let's see. This is for Libra. Keep in mind the energies can be switched, alright? So this could be you or this could be the person in your environment, alright? Let's see what is the future of the current career or business profession that you are pursuing, okay? Career, job, take it how it resonates. This is for Libra. What is the future of the current career or profession or job that Libra is pursuing, please? What is the future? What can Libra expect in the future when it comes to their career, job, profession? This is for Libra. Let's see. Alright. Coming to the current situation. Beautiful. What is influencing this? Nice. Wow. For a lot of you Libras, I feel first of all, you guys are doing pretty well. Alright. You guys are doing really, really well. I think after a very long time, for a few of you, you guys have come back to that position of stability and security. Okay, I think a lot of you could be struggling financially, but I think finally you've made some kind of decision and now there is a balance here. For a lot of you, a few of you I'm getting, you could be managing two businesses. For the others of you, I feel that you could have been there could be a lot of disorganization. You could be very disorganized, or you could have taken up too much, okay? And too much on your plate, but you were spreading yourself too narrow, okay? So I think a lot of you have finally got your shit together, being more organized, being more structured, trying to balance out your finances, trying to balance out if there are two businesses, trying to balance it out. But whatever is influencing the current stability, long-term stability and security that you have right now, which you guys are doing excellent in, is only because you have probably either narrowed down your options, or you're just being very, very good with your juggling, okay? You're being very good with maintaining a balance out here. What's on your mind? Judgment. See, for a lot of you, I feel that there could be say a business, or say some kind of industry that you were interested in, or say some kind of field that you were interested in, or could be a product, anything that it was, right? It could be a service that you want to revive again. We're going to clarify that, but let's see, okay, before I say more. So there is something that you probably want to revive. This definitely is something that could have been absolutely dead. It could be a dead situation, but on your mind is to revive something. What happened in the past? Okay. So a lot of you could have been financially, temporarily, I think there was some financial issues, financial hardship out here. It could have been something where you felt like, it was very big, but it was a little small. I feel a lot of you could have got help from other people, but eventually you got out of it here, okay? Because you're coming off as very, very successful right now. So you very successfully came out of it. All right, let's see what's the situation. All right, so what I feel is, for a lot of you, you're cutting through bullshit. I feel for a lot of you, either there is someone who is very logical. Libra, this could be you. Let's talk about someone else first. There could be someone around you in your environment who's very logical, very analytical, someone who offers constructive criticism, okay, who is helping you out in moving forward and cutting through the bullshit, just seeing things for what it is. Or for the others of you, this could be you who's actually like this, and you're just moving forward with clarity, okay? So earlier, I think there could have been communication issues, there was lack of clarity, or you were making more emotional decisions rather than very logical ones. But yeah, you got your shit together. What's the future for Libra? All right, nice. Ace of Swords here. This is some kind of clarity. All right, Libra. First of all, overall energy, another beautiful card, okay? Another beautiful card. For a few of you, you could be traveling overseas, okay? There could be a lot of business that you're doing overseas, or there could be a lot of business where you're thinking of traveling overseas. Whatever you're doing, Libra, you're expanding your horizons, okay? Could be in a particular field that you're thinking of, or could even be this thing that you want to revive, okay? Maybe that is something that will require you to travel. So that's what you're doing. However, the overall energy for you, Libra, is forward movement, progress forward, positive progress forward. So I feel there could be a decision that you weren't making all this while. You finally made the decision. You're very optimistic. You've done your work, and now you're patiently waiting. So I feel for a lot of you, there could be a cycle that ended, and now there's a cycle that's starting, a new cycle which is starting very, very positively. What's the Three of Wands? Apply for the Three of Wands. But this is forward planning. What's the Three of Wands here? It's going to require some patience, but you're patiently waiting. Oh, dude, look at that. See, so that's what I'm getting. A lot of you here could have been very stuck and stagnant, okay? So I feel that you were wanting to move things forward very, very quickly, but all of a sudden, things were going smoothly and it just came to a halt, okay, for a lot of you. Now, things are going super fast for you, okay? I feel it's like all the roads are clear for you, and you're just, like on the loose, and you're just moving forward here. It's like, you know what, I can't waste time is what I'm getting here. So any obstacles that come in your way, you're just like, no, I gotta go, okay? That's what's happening here. But yeah, you're moving full speed, okay? Full speed here. What's the Five of Pentacles in the past? Four of Wands. So there could be some stability and security issues. Either it could be because there could be a family business that you were in, okay, because of which you could have felt left out in the cold, you could have felt abandoned, you could have felt isolated. And the financial problem could be, for a few of you, it could be because of a few of you who could be in a family business, okay? So there was a lack of stability and lack of harmony within the people who were working with you, and whoever was working with you could be family and friends or relatives. For the rest of you, I feel there was just an overall stability and insecurity, okay, which kind of shook your foundation for a bit here. But that's a major arcana. It's very temporary, so that's fine. All right. Tell me about the Judgment. I want to know what's on your mind. What is this? The Judgment can also be realizations, okay, like a big awakening of some sort. Let's see. What's the Judgment? What's the Judgment? What's the Judgment? Yeah, 10 of Cups. Okay, so for a few of you, that's cute. For a few of you, maybe. For a few of you, you feel that, you know what, you've done a lot. For a few of you, maybe you realize that family happiness is what the ultimate goal is, okay? Maybe a lot of you could be workaholics. So I feel for a lot of you, you are reaching a point where you want to do that makes you happy, Libra, because you could be kind of fed up of, your nature is very logical, right? So for a few of you, actually for a lot of you, I'm getting that you are more focused on your family, your emotional growth, and happiness and abundance, but all that has to do with emotional contentment to the fullest out here. So I feel a lot of you have now realized that you guys have put in a lot of work and effort all this while. You've reached a point of stability, and that is what you probably are trying to balance out. You're trying to balance two things. Remember I told you in the beginning? So you could be trying to balance out your work life and family life also for a lot of you, okay? Because that is what is on your mind. It's like a huge awakening, like, hey, what about my family? I got the money now. What about my family? That is something which is more precious than money, right? That's sweet. Okay. The Queen of Swords here. What's the Queen of Swords? For a lot of you, I think you could be even thinking about family, which could be about shifting, okay, which could be about moving, somewhere, which probably that this is the best for my family, okay? But yeah. And for the rest of you, it could be just about you thinking about being ultimately fulfilled, okay? Like whatever work you're doing, whatever career or business profession you are in, along with giving you money, now it is a point where you want that emotional satisfaction along with the financial, okay? What's the Queen of Swords? Apply for the Queen of Swords, one card. Okay, so you see, that's what I'm getting here. There could be a lot of confusion in the past, all right? Maybe you were open to too many options. All right, there was this, and you were like, I want this, I want this, I want this, I want this, okay? So there was a lot of daydreaming, I'd say wishful thinking, and maybe some of you wanted the best, okay? Maybe you wanted the best, maybe you wanted to make the best choice out here. But the best choice that you were looking for with the Seven of Cups was probably something that would probably either make other people happy. No, that's not the right word. That would probably, how do I put this up? Maybe you were trying to look at the choices which was the best looking for the others. Like, when others see that choice, you're like, oh yeah, now that's something that Libra's got. I'm jealous. Libra's got something that pretty blah, blah. Now I feel that in your heart space, subconsciously, the situation is that now you're cutting through all that. You're seeing things for what it is. You're making a realistic choice and doing what is good for you instead of focusing on what other people like. You get what I'm saying? So you're no longer being a people pleaser. Maybe not a people pleaser. Maybe you're no longer making choices that where other people would judge you, or now you don't really care. I think you're just going to do what's best for you. Okay. What's the Ace of Swords? So there was a lot of confusion in the past here, but now you're making a realistic choice and you're cutting through the confusion here. Okay. No more daydreaming, no more wishful thinking. It's like just straightforward, blunt talk, having clarity and moving forward. What's the Ace of Swords? What's the Ace of Swords? Try for the Ace of Swords. Try for the Ace of Swords, please. Try for the Ace of Swords. Wow. So, Libra, for a lot of you, there is a new opportunity coming in for you guys, okay? And there's going to be success, victory, some kind of breakthrough in communication if you've been waiting for, whatever it is. I feel there is a new idea, a new thought, or there is some clarity that you have which is going to help you pursue something new. For a lot of you, you could be starting a new project, which is at a very nascent stage, at the beginning levels. But guys, it's very, very nascent. It's very small. So you might have to learn a lot about that product or learn a lot about that new industry or business that you're pursuing in order for you to grow. Okay. So right now you're very established. I feel right now you're very okay with the current thing that you're doing out here. Okay. Eventually in the future, there is some new idea that you have that you want to pursue, but it's going to be something where you're going to need more knowledge, more experience. Okay. So yeah, that's coming in. For a lot of you, this prospect could be overseas. Okay. Whatever is coming in, the opportunity here, maybe this opportunity here requires you to probably move overseas or travel overseas for the business to expand your horizons. Whatever it is, you're moving forward here. Okay. And there is a very brand new opportunity that's coming in. And like I said, there is a breakthrough here. If you're waiting for clarity, if you're waiting for communication, that's coming in the future here. If there is some kind of clarity in your own head, you're getting that. There's no more second guessing out here. Okay. You're making some logical choice out here and you're choosing to start something new in the future. For a lot of you, there could be a new job opportunity that's coming in, which is very stable, very secure. But yes, it's going to be something small. The opportunity is going to be small. And as long as I know, it's something that you need to do a lot of research, a lot of learning more about. Okay. Yes, that's how you'll be able to move forward. Okay. So I hope this resonates with you guys. Leave your comments below, like, share, subscribe. Don't forget that. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.